Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Hope that you are well everybody. Based on your this episode is for today for you and this episode is for heavy jersey fabric parameter. This is a please machine 10 gauge jersey fabric that I'm talking about or discussing about. Required GSM is 250 gram. Yarn need 22 single 100% cotton yarn. Double ply feed in machine. Machine will be 10 gauge, so we will feed it double ply. And knitting machine dia and the gauge 30 and 10 gauge. Required dia equal to 100 centimeter. Here we need to feed double yarn in base side of the machine. During knitting stitch length 4.9 millimeter for medium color. During knitting stitch during knitting gauge GSM 185 gram. Then we dye the fabric, and after dye we standard setting dye 10 centimeter. Our fit full temperature 150 degrees centigrade, speed 25 meter per minute. After dye 110 centimeter and GSM 230 gram. After that we are compacting the fabric. Compacting parameter is below. We can see here. Overfeed full, speed 22 meter per minute. Temperature 110 degrees centigrade. Steam full. After compacting dia 105 centimeter and GSM 248 gram. After check quality, length, width and spirality comes -6%, -4% and 2% in sequence. So viewers, if you like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel to see the next videos.